Brian, I got to tell you, the recent trips were a lot of fun. And most importantly, we're learning a lot about our customers. So we're definitely going to continue this journey. Next stop is North Hartland Tool in Vermont. They purchased the C42 mill turn machine with a pellet changer system. They really transcended the limitations of being just an old machine shop and became a leader in the design and manufacturing of high-end gauges and fixtures.
Well, Manuel, being the branding and PR guy, you know I love a good story, and this sounds like an inspiring one. And Vermont is known for its world-class cheddar cheese.
I didn't know that.
Well, we'll see if it lives up to the standards of two Wisconsin cheeseheads like you and I. I can't wait to go hear their story.
Well, let's do it. Let's go.
So my name is John Mullen. I'm the president of North Hartland Tool Corporation in North Hartland, Vermont, 5 miles south of Dartmouth, right near the New Hampshire border. And we are primarily a manufacturer of fixtures and gauges for turbine engine pieces. So whether it's a land-based engine or an air-based engine, power generation and airplanes. We also do precision parts for a variety of different people. Inspection technology and other manufacturers as well. We bought it because we see a challenge in tool making, or just in general, is we have to advance what the technology can do for us as opposed to just relying on people to do it, because there is a labor shortage as well. I mean, it's in every industry, right? So to help compensate for some of that and also to expand the business. We're really happy with the Hermle, so much so that I want to buy another one when the time presents, which it hasn't unfortunately yet, but it's coming.
What is your most favorite part that you've ever manufactured that played a role in something pretty cool?
When I started traveling a lot to China, when I would get on a plane, if I was sitting next to the window, if I could look out at the engine, it would say like GP 7000 or even a GE90. I knew that we had a part in making that engine. What we do here has a part in putting the pieces that are inside that engine, the most critical pieces that are inside that engine, that we make tools to put those pieces in there. So we just look back at that. That's nice. We have some customers that we couldn't have been efficient at the price points they want also, because as expensive as the machine is, at the same time, people want cheaper price all the time. So you really need to be reliable, get stuff off the machine. The automation helps us do that. For a while earlier this year, we had the programmer was running the machine as well, but he didn't have to be out there all that often. Yeah. He'd look at his computer screen, he would say, okay, it's time to get out there. And now the machine's just churning, and there's no other machine we have in the building that can do that for a sustained period of time. A couple of your guys have said to us, well, why are you making this part on this machine? Because it can make it really well. Because this machine can do that and it can make it at a profit. So it doesn't have to be a big fancy part all the time. So we bought a C42 mill turn with 5 pallet changers and an additional tool tower. I think it holds 192 extra tools. What impressed me is the Hermle service people are super knowledgeable.